Welcome back everyone. I am Hurera and I am documenting my journey to build a AI automation agency from totally scratch. And in my first video, I introduced about my vision and mission to build an AI automation agency in 2025. If you not have seen that first video yet, then I will highly recommend you to watch that video now. So this will set a foundation for you to understand what the thing we are doing here on this YouTube channel. Now, as a part of documenting this journey, I set an ambitious goal for myself to reach $10,000 per month in revenue in the quarter of this year 2025. Let's dive into the things which I have been working on till today and move on to my laptop screens. So I will share a PPT slides which I have prepared for you guys. So let's begin. So this is our opening slide, AI Automation Agency 3.0 from scratch. The name of my agency is legitAIsolutions.com. As you can see on the slide, let's begin with the agenda of today's video. What is Agency 3.0 model and why I choose that? And domains I am exploring, the services I am planning to offer in this agency model, and platforms I am building my presence on to grab the potential clients as soon as possible and as good as possible. So tools I am starting to learn, because as I said in my previous videos, like I am not a pro or an expert in AI domain, but I believe in learning things step by step so I can achieve my goals to earn $10,000 in a quarter of this year. We will do this together. Let's begin with our first topic. What is Agency 3.0 model? A business model where you offer services to clients for monthly fees and operates 100% online with no need to learn technical skills in upfront. So first thing, we give our services to the clients and we charge them like monthly retainers or a fixed amount of the price according to our services we are offering. Because in this agency model, we will provide very different services for the different clients, and the money we will charge them also will be relative for every client. And the most important thing of this agency is that we can make all these things remotely. And second thing is that the online model is very easy to use. We will do the outsourcing and I will explain all these things and tips and tricks to do outsourcing online in a separate detailed video and how I will use that in my agency. And I also have a past experience in this outsourcing process, because before this agency model I am working as a freelancer full time, and most of the tasks I do outsource from the online platforms like Fiverr, Upwork and many more. I will tell you in upcoming videos. Most important thing in Agency 3.0 model, we will focus on branding. Like we upload the content on YouTube, I am uploading content on LinkedIn, Instagram Reels. So this will make an ecosystem of my branding and all clients will be warm after seeing my content. Key benefits of this is to simplify the operations while focusing on creating value and growing your brand. So why I choose Agency 3.0 model? I have tried multiple things like print on demand, trading, crypto and freelancing. But honestly, none provide the steady income. The remote agency I feel is different because it requires little to no upfront investment. My progress depends on my efforts, not market trends. It has the potential to run a autopilot in the future. Like on investment, I only have to invest on my simple website. The progress totally depends on me, like what is the frequency of myself to upload the content on Reels, through LinkedIn, through Instagram, through YouTube. So here is our second topic. So domains I am exploring. One of the first things I had to think about was what industry can I focus on. Right now I am considering these, as you can see on the slide: healthcare, real estate, social media agencies and content creators. So in healthcare, there is so much potential for AI to streamline their operations. We will discuss in further videos. You don't have to worry about it. And in a real estate, automating lead generation inquiries could be huge. And the social media agencies, AI bots and tools for client engagement will be a very helpful things for these agencies. And the content creators, helping creators manage outreach and audience interaction And we also help them out by making persona chatbots, which will be making content on their behalf, but according to their style and reach out. I have not finalized my niche yet, but there are area I am researching. And in the next videos, I will further explain the things about these domains and how and which domain is very perfect to start a newly made AI automation agency. So we don't have to worry about these things. So let's discuss about the services I am planning. I'll figure out many services on which I can work, but here are some ideas I am working on. Customer support chatbot, website chatbots, AI powered call agents, cold outreach systems. So, customer support chatbots will be very helpful for a business to handle daily day-to-day FAQs. Website chatbots to make the website more interactive. When someone visits their websites, so a person or a chatbot is available 24/7 to answer their questions. And AI-powered call agents for handling client inquiries. Cold outreach systems will automate email campaigns with AI and many more. Yet I don't finalize my niche yet, but there are the areas I am researching, and I will tell you all things when I will make some decision in future. I will tell you that what service I am working on. But nowadays I want to explore all the services, all the domains, and I will stick with one thing in a few weeks when I find out that uh, which thing have a more potential than other. So let's discuss about the platforms I am building my presence on. Like I have been on LinkedIn. I made my website, which is a very simple landing page, and I make a Calendly account of free schedule tools for client to book consultations easily. So this is only for business peoples, and I also have been given the links on my YouTube channel, and also in the description of this video you can check out my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my website, and Calendly. This will be maybe inspirational for you, and you also can comment me in the video which thing you think that I have to change or I have to update. So all these things will be very helpful for me, and I have started setting these up and I will be refining them as I learn more. So now I want to show you my website and Calendly account. This is my simple website which I developed with the help of a Stinger website builder, which have AI features. It is very easy to use. I am also giving the link in my description. You can check that out. This will be very helpful. You can see that this is very simple website. You should have to give me feedback after visiting my website. And this is the Calendly by which anyone can book his meeting with me, but this is only applicable for the business owners or other agency owners to discuss their problems, so we can find out how we can solve their problem with the help of AI. So let's continue our discussion. And these are the tools I am experimenting nowadays. The tools I have started exploring are the backbone of automation. Here I am trying out Chatbase, Dante, Cody. So these are simple softwares for creating chatbots, and Zapier and Make.com. These are very popular softwares to automate workflows, and there is a Stack.ai, a versatile AI platform. So I am still figuring out how these work, but I will keep sharing my experience as I learn, and I will update you and also will teach you everything which I am learning now. This is the end of our today's video, and join me on this journey. This is the beginning of my journey. I am not an expert. I am figuring out things out step by step, and I will share everything I learn with you. So subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram for daily insights, and join my free Discord community to connect, learn, and grow together. For businesses, you can book a meeting as I show you the calendar link with me to discuss how we can collaborate and solve your problems. And in the end, I will dive deeper into clients, outreach, domains, services, and tools in future videos as I experience and learn more. Let's build this together. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching the video till the end. You can see now the introduction video which is popping up on your screens. I will back with some other videos, some other stuff to teach you about the agency and what I am learning to grow this AI automation agency. Thank you so much.